Okay, so I've just gotten home and reversed up my driveway into my carport, and I've put it in park, but obviously the car's still running. The air conditioner's still going, whatever. It's in hybrid mode. This is the Jaecoo J7, by the way, and it drives really nicely, except if I push my little apparent friend up here.
I'm here.
Okay. How do I turn off the car?
Go ahead.
How do I turn off the car?
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Are you sure about anything?
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Where is the off button?
The target location is not found.
There's no button to turn off the car. How do I... If I just get out of the car... I mean, there's a start button on the remote. It's still running. Sure, it might be in... Go away. Shush, you're useless. Okay. Maybe I don't need to turn it off or on. Does it just know? How does it know? If I get back in and I push D for drive, does it... Oh, that's it, is it? No. Where's the park brake? How do I turn the park brake off? D for drive. The park brake. Oh, fasten seatbelt. Okay. Seatbelt is fastened. Auto hold active. Drive. Oh my god. What was wrong with just a normal handbrake button? I'm allowed to drive the car in my driveway without the seatbelt on. Why can't I just have an on-off button? I mean, I understand that it's more convenient, but... At least the camera's good, I guess. So, park. Handbrake's on. I just get out, do I? That's it. This is the future.